Hey guys, welcome back to the channel My World Info. Today, we're going to talk about COVID-19 and its potential vaccines. But before moving further, 61% of you guys haven't subscribed to my channel. So please go hit that subscribe button. My goal is to reach 2000 subscribers by the end of 2020. So guys, please share and subscribe. And without wasting any more time, let's begin. By now, I hope all of you have heard the word COVID-19 or coronavirus. Coronavirus is a group of viruses related to the RNA virus family that causes diseases in mammals and birds. In human beings, the virus causes respiratory tract infections that can range from mild to lethal. As of July 2020, more than 16 million cases have been reported around the world, and more than 650,000 people have lost their lives, thus bringing the entire world to a standstill. The virus originated in the city of Wuhan in China, but many believe in conspiracy theories and blame the Chinese government. But regardless of who has to be blamed, a race to find the cure or a vaccine is taking place all around the world. As of July 9, 2020, 13 such potential vaccine claims were made by various nations, including North Korea. We will talk about North Korea later, but now we will try to explain 3 different trial phases involved in finding a vaccine. Clinical trials are research studies that involve people. Most clinical trials to test new corona treatments are done in a series of steps called as phases. If a new treatment is successful in one phase, it moves to the next phase. Let's take a look at the 3 main phases of clinical trials. Phase 1 trials are small enrolling of less than 30 people. Phase 1 trials are designed to find a safe dose of the new treatment, determining how the treatment should be given, and learn how it affects the body. If a safe dose is found, the new treatment goes to phase 2 testing. More patients are then enrolled, usually 100 or less. Phase 2 trials study how the treatment affects the body and how the treatment works for a certain type of virus. If a new treatment is found to be safe and have some benefits, it goes to phase 3. This is when many participants are needed, usually more than 100, sometimes thousands. Phase 3 trials compare the new treatment with the current treatment to see which one is better. One thing is for certain with any phase trials: by taking part, you will help the future patients by helping today's scientists. Now we will talk about North Korea. Yes, as per North Korean Commission of Science and Technology, claims that clinical trials started early in July, and now there are talks of phase 3 human trials. But the question here is, how did North Korea reach this stage? The country claims to have 0 COVID-19 cases and provides no data of phase 1 or phase 2 trials. Also, there is no mention of the vaccine in WHO list of vaccines under trial. It is for this reason that the claim seems to be bogus. Keeping these claims aside, we are now going to talk about 10 of the 12 potential vaccines which are under trial phases, and one has been approved. First vaccine we are going to talk about is from China. Sinopharm claimed that an inactivated COVID-19 vaccine has been developed by the Wuhan Institute of Biological Products. It triggered a strong neutralizing antibody response in phase 1. As of today, all 1,120 volunteers in phase 1 and 2 have received 2 injections. The company did not specify the neutralizing antibody response rate and did not elaborate on the exact level of immune response, and only stating that no serious adverse event was observed. Now we will talk about the second potential vaccine. CanSino, also a Chinese firm, published for the first time COVID-19 vaccine data in the world. The Chinese vaccine company is pushing its trials ahead in China and Canada, despite mixed results from its phase 1. On March 16th, CanSino Biologicals became the first company in the world to begin a clinical study of the vaccine, designed to protect against infections of COVID-19. Less than 10 weeks after the first trials began, the company had achieved another milestone in the global vaccine race. The vaccine uses a genetically engineered adenovirus called as adenoviral vector. Scientists hope that the spike proteins generated from the vaccine will give immune system some target practice so that the body can quickly halt any infections of the real virus. The vaccine is in its approval stage. The third potential vaccine in our list is Novax. Novax is an American vaccine developmental company. The biotechnological firm is experienced in finding vaccines on seasonal influenza. In January, the company announced it will also join the race to find a vaccine and had said that it had developed a vaccine candidate named NVX-CoV2373, and it is believed that the trials are still in phase 1 or early stages of phase 2. The fourth contender of this vaccine race is AstraZeneca. AstraZeneca is a British-Swedish multinational pharmaceutical company with global headquarters in Cambridge, England. In April this year, the executive of the company reported that they are working on a potential vaccine, and in June 2020, the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases confirmed that the third phase of the testing for the potential vaccine by Oxford University and AstraZeneca would begin in July 2020. If the vaccine clears its phase 3 trials, it would be the first vaccine to completely fight the virus. So we reached the halfway point of this video. If you guys enjoyed the video till now, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos from us, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get notified. We will bring you at least one video per week. So guys, please subscribe and help this young channel to grow. And now we continue on with the video. Seventh vaccine candidate in our list is Imperial College of London. The college is a public research university in London. The first stage of the trials were developed by researchers at the college and were constantly progressing to the next stage. The first stage was a success with 15 volunteers. The second stage will soon commence with a total of 105 participants from an age group of 18 to 75. The results are claimed to be obtained shortly. The eighth contender in our list is from Australia. The Vaccine is an Australian biotech company which has collaborated with a South Korean biopharm firm, Meditox, for the development and commercialization of its COVID-19 vaccine. The candidate is named as COVAX-19. Currently, the vaccine is undergoing late-stage animal study in Australia and the US. The ninth candidate in our list is Zydus Cadila from India. Zydus Cadila, a joint venture firm, stated that it started human clinical trials of its COVID-19 vaccine candidate ZyCoV-D. In the process, the company will be enrolling over 1,000 subjects across multiple clinical study sites in India. Zydus has received approval from domestic authorities to start human trials. The last contender in our list here is Bharat Biotech. Covaxin, India's indigenously COVID-19 vaccine, developed by Bharat Biotech and an Indian Council of Medical Research and National Institute of Virology. It is developed in BSL-3 Biosafety Level 3 High Containment Facility. The vaccine received DGCI approval for Phase 1 and 2 human trials from July 2020. In the end, we hope and pray that a vaccine or a cure will be obtained in the near future, and thank all the frontline fighters who are risking their lives for the people around the world. That is it for today, people. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. We will be back with another video next week, so hit that subscribe button and please share this video. Stay safe, stay home, and see you next time here on My World Info.